Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Let me ask you this question as our point of reflection this afternoon. What are the things we take delight from or things that we take delight in doing such? Or shall I say, what are the things we find pleasure in doing so? Ano ba yung mga bagay na masaya nating ginagawa o buong puso nating pinagbubuhusan ng atensyon, ng panahon at ng ating lakas? Maybe for a lot of us here, students here, hopefully, Father, I take pleasure, I take delight in my studies. Sana lang, no? I take pleasure and I take delight in serving my children, my husband, or myself before we go out for study or work for this day. We find pleasure in friends. As a Filipino community, we are indeed a relational culture. We love gatherings, we love people. Lalo't higit pag pag-uusapan na natin ang buhay ng may buhay ng iba. We take pleasure and delight in food, in entertainment, so on and so forth. But we hope that we also learn from today's readings who found pleasure, who found delight, not only with things that their hands can do, but they found delight in being with the Lord and in doing things in front of the Lord. We've heard how David and his fellow men were there offering their worship, their dance, their hymns, their very selves in front of the ark of the Lord. Buong puso nilang ginagawa ang sumamba. Kumbaga, parte ng kanilang pagkatao at ang pagkabuhay ang pagsilbihan at purihin ng Panginoon sa araw-araw ng kanilang buhay. Yes, with all of their concerns, they find the passion in doing it, but they also find delight and pleasure in being with God. And we've heard how Jesus confirmed that those who does the will of God is his brother, sister, and mother, is but a call and a reminder to all of us that let that be a pleasure and a delight for us to respect others, to give compassion, to be generous in our time, talents, and treasure, in doing the will of God in the largest scheme of things, that may hopefully be a pleasure and a delight for all of us. Marahil po ang mahanap o makita ang ligaya, ang buong kisig kapag nasa harapan tayo ng ating Panginoon ay isang bagay na bumababa na sa mga panahong ito. But let this gesture of our daily Eucharist, of our devotion to God, of our generosity and care for others, be a sign that indeed up until now, all of us will always find pleasure and delight in being with the Lord and in doing things for the Lord. Yes, we know that we have a lot of things that would really make us happy and would really make us complete. But let us add our list, let us add in our list this one of a kind pleasure and delight, to be with the Lord and to do things for the Lord.